sheet of white paper and a black marker. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna create this upside down U shape like this. Kind of the ends come out a little bit like that. And then we're gonna take little squiggly lines coming down on each side. And then a few more right here at the bottom. Okay, now we're gonna add some eyeballs or just some black circles like this. And then one more here. Then I like to add some lines right on the bottom here. And there we go, there's our ghost.